So hello friends, I'm Crow. Welcoming you guys to my YouTube channel Crocenthy. Friends, in today's video I'm going to teach you people on how you can enable God mode on Windows, more precisely on Windows 10. But the method should work on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 also. So let us get right into the video. So, before we begin with the actual video, I want to say to you guys that the video is for educational purposes. If you think that this will affect your computer, then you can quit seeing this video from here onwards. And if you want more details on this topic, then go to Akash Tahiras's website, which is www.tricktotest.com. I will be sure to link his website in the description. Anyways, let me tell you a bit about God mode first. So, basically God mode is a hidden feature in Windows. It is nothing but a folder with the settings of your whole computer. It can be enabled by a code, which is given to you guys in the description. So, this video is divided into 2 steps for enabling God mode. So, let us start with the steps. Step 1. Right click on your mouse and drop down onto the new option. Then, create a new folder by clicking in the folder option. Then, press the enter key on your keyboard or click anywhere on your wallpaper to make the folder. So guys, that is step 1, where you need to create a new folder. Step 2. Now go to the description and copy the code. Then, paste it on your notepad app. After that, click on that new folder that we just created. Once the folder is selected, then click on the F2 button on the top of the keyboard. This is a shortcut to rename your folder. You can even right click the selected folder and click on rename. Then select everything in the folder and click on the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. After that, paste the code in the white box and click on the enter key or anywhere on the screen. Now you will get an app which has an icon, just as the control panel has. In some cases it will have God mode written under it, and in some cases it will not. A double step for confirmation is that you open the app and then see exactly on the top left corner if it shows you a location in which the last word is God mode. Then congratulations, you have successfully enabled God mode. If it does not show God mode at the end, then there must be some error that must have occurred. Try doing it again. Friends, here there are so many settings that I can't go through all of them. That will make the video very long, but I would suggest you to try these on your own, because now you have the legendary settings enabled. So friends, now I have to leave, and I promise you that I will come with another awesome video very soon. Respect your elders and behave like a gentleman. Keep enjoying your life. Thank you for watching. Bye.